fuck? Do you know it's Sierra? So what was his other name? Isaiah. Night. How the hell does it know it's night? Yo, something just walked right up on us, son. What does it mean night? How the hell do you know it was night? On this haunted ass road. Everybody don't forget to like and subscribe too. I'll be putting in mad work on this haunted shit.
Right over here is where we caught all that live shit. Where was it? Like right over here? Yo, where was it? Right over here? Any action on there yet? What the fuck? I've never seen it like that. Is there any spirits that want to communicate? Please come over here and talk through the phone. Is there any spirits out here that want to communicate? What the fuck? Why'd that start going off when I heard the footsteps? Yo, that shit is weird, dog. It's like something walked over towards us. Animal. It's warning us about an animal? What do you mean by animal? Did you hear the cat, man? You just heard that? Animal? Was your animal's name Sophie? Is that what I just heard? Walking. Any spirits down there, come up here and communicate with us. You can use the phone. Don't use the camera energy, you fuck killing the battery. What was that? What the hell was that? What? Sound like it's some shot or something with a... You didn't hear that?
Yeah, I just heard that. That was down that hill.
That's down there.
That was down that hill.
Yo, what? Who's down there?
On this haunted ass road. Everybody don't forget to like and subscribe too. I'll be putting in mad work on this haunted shit. All haunted places, I'm hitting everywhere. That's how you do. That's how I do it, you feel me? Y'all been doing this for a while, but I never started posting on YouTube. I just started posting them on YouTube, so don't forget to check me out. Show the team some love. Y'all know what it is. Back with another jumper with Guap Get It Fresh. Make sure y'all check out my music channel too. But I'm gonna be hitting all these haunted spots for YouTube. Mostly just me and my bro. But let's check this out. We don't need no big ass camera crew with us. You don't need a big ass camera crew to catch ghosts. All you need is a fucking camera and your team. Get your shit right. Yo, check this out though. On this haunted road, we're gonna try this app. And I will be out here later on the night with bruh filming the rest. We're gonna see what this app do right now though. Shout out to all the YouTubers out there putting in real work at real haunted places. You know what I'm saying? See, check this out. All this used to be, this whole road back here. All this used to be a trailer park. But a lot of people died from the poison water. It was contaminated. The landlord never gave a fuck. He never checked it. Let's check this app out.
Is there any spirits out here want to communicate through my phone? What's your name? What's your name? Any spirits want to communicate? What's your name? What? What's your name? Oh. I didn't hear you. Can you repeat it again? Spirit around here trying to communicate? What's your name? What? What's your name? Did you just walk past me? Behind me. What? What's your name? What? No, that was that other creepy voice that came through. Are there good spirits around here or bad spirits? What? Any action on there yet? What the fuck? I've never seen it like dead. Is there any spirits that want to communicate? Please come over here and talk through the phone. Is there any spirits out here that want to communicate? Somebody's walking over there. You just heard that? What the fuck? Why'd that start going off when I heard their footsteps? Yo, that shit is weird, dog. It's like something walked over towards us. Animal. It's warning us about an animal? What do you mean by animal?
Did you hear the cat, man?
You just heard that?
Sophie.
Animal? Was your animal's name Sophie? Is that what I just heard? Walking.
Well, it might be a neighborhood cat named Sophie. That's in the woods over there.
Is that your animal's name, Sophie? Or is that a community cat? Is my brother right?
Used.
Used? What the hell does that mean? A used cat? That don't mean a cent. Were you used?
Oh, used. You could
Used.
be saying used to be. But
Oh, used to be.
that just went off kind of.
See, here goes the old lot too, though. Let's go over on this part of the road. What did it say? Did you say yo?
Yeah.
What?
Darkness.
Darkness. This is where that crazy shit. Is there a Logan over here? Remember Logan? The one that said your name was Logan and Catherine and... This is Stitch. What?
That was Julian.
Julian. What was the other name? I can't believe that shit says darkness, dog.
Yeah.
Why do I always get something? Did you say Kevin?
Yeah.
Yo, what the fuck? You heard that shit?
Yeah, what up? What's good?
Why does he keep saying yo? Like what?
Yo, what up?
Are you somebody we know? Cry? Why would we cry? Who's crying? Yo, we heard a cry.
Alter.
It sounded like we heard a cry. Alter? What does that mean? Alter? What does that mean?
Cry.
Do you know us?
Somebody seen their family crying at the altar? I don't know.
You seen your family or you were crying?
I don't know.
Were you around us? Or do you know us?
Probably married or about to get married.
What?
What did you say?
What did you say? Should I mess with this? Would this make it better if I do it like that? Can y'all communicate better, faster? Oh my god.
Yeah.
Yo.
What the
Yo,
fuck?
that's crazy, yo.
Yeah.
Is that somebody I know? How does it just know my name, son?
Malicious.
Who is? We don't want no bad spirits around us. Any bad spirits, please get away from us. This says malicious. How did it know my name too? Why did it say cry and darkness?
If you know our names, say them over the speaker that John is holding.
Yeah. Say one of our names.
You heard me.
What? What'd he say? Copy? What'd it say, copy?
Yeah. No, we don't want you to copy. We want you to say the name.
Yeah. Look straight. Who's straight? Who's over there? What did it say? Darkness?
Darkness.
He just said it on here too. Yo. Is somebody messing with us? Cause this shit said your name too,
It was
man.
malicious.
What? Here, I'll mess with it one more time, like that. What if I left it on the 420 sweeping? Yeah, can y'all speak better to her? What's your name? What did it say?
Yeah,
Did you say it was like that?
15%. Yeah.
Dog, it said home. So that was your home over there? What was your name? Are you a spirit that we talked to before? Walk up here a little bit. Right over here, son. That's where back there. I didn't even know there was a trailer thing back here. Look. This track, it's way back there in the cut though. They're saying that was their home.
What is it?
Look. Nah, look, it just fall flat back there. It's all concrete. Did that used to be your home? Yo, did you see my light just trip out?
Yeah.
What the fuck was that? Why it sound like something surrounding us? You heard that?
Yeah, I swear I just seen somebody standing there and it disappeared.
Dog.
What the
I think I panned the camera like that.
Yeah.
Maybe we caught him on
We
there.
might have, because it was over by that. You see where the electric boxes are?
Yo, look at my
That are
light.
disabled.
Look, that's on my phone. It never does that. There's something right here.
Something's draining my phone.
Yo, look, it's draining my thing. It's flashing the camera.
My phone's about to die.
Yeah, my camera, look. They're gonna die at the same time, son, look. Yo,
Continued.
continued? You want us to
And-
continue this?
And that was when we
Yo.
came back.
You know that we came back.
Yeah, my phone's on 3% now. It's just on 11.
Dog, look, this is flashing. It never does that. It's about to die.
Yeah, my phone's about
Look,
to die.
look, the battery. The battery's about to check out.
Holy shit.
Look. Is there a spirit back
My
there?
phone's died, bro. It's gone.
Yo, it died that quick.
Yeah. Really?
Yo,
quick,
this spirit's
gone.
pretty strong, dog.
What the fuck?
Oh, yo, look at my light again. It just geeked out.
You know, it keeps tripping out. What
Look,
the
it
fuck
never
is
does
going
that.
on?
It's on a phone. This is a regular phone light. No tripped out light. Are you trying to communicate? Make my light do that again.
Yeah.
Oh my God, it did it right whenever I said it.
Yeah.
Are you trying to communicate with me through my phone light? What was that? Yo, what was that? Is that somebody fucking around over there? Huh?
Is that other light?
Dog, if it's a spirit, hold on, I ain't running, because if it's a spirit, they can't hurt us.
Where's that other light? Yeah, but we
But-
don't know if it's a spirit or not.
Hold this. Oh my God, it just went off. Oh my God, it just made my phone die. What the fuck? Yo, that's a strong, yo, that's a strong ass spirit, dog. Look, my camera's still going, son. That's a strong ass,
about to die.
dog, that's a strong ass spirit. What else would have did all that? This shit was charged up pretty good, dog. Like, I'm telling you, this shit don't die fast. Only gotta charge this shit like once a week.
Dog, this shit's already getting a little blurry. This is the railroad shit that we're doing.
It's cold and windy out here.
It's gonna be crazy, dog, doing this railroad. Look, the old ass thing right here. Look, probably says like names and shit or how long,
Honor, respect.
how old this is. This old railroad.
There's nothing on
Look how official that is, though. This says on there. Like if they don't think we're really at the railroad, look. Like that's we on the railroad.
Spirits that are on this bridge that want to communicate, you could talk to us through the camera, microphone, or through my phone.
Yeah, come talk. Any spirits? I know there's gotta be spirits. There's so many people that died on the railroad and working on the railroad. Look how high this drop is.
Last time we got so much activity just walking.
I know. Remember that one? Come on, Ocean. There we go.
What's your name?
Why is it dot dot dot? It never does that. It's fucking weird. Come on, can you communicate through the phone? Any spirits from who used to work on the railroad, come over here, you can communicate with us. A spirit comes, you know what I'm saying? Oh, look, somebody's riding on the railroad for reals. Any spirits? Any spirits want to communicate? That's how real that shit is, though. Look how dead it is now. See, it's like some are trying.
Yeah, we're getting a little bit.
Some are trying. Oh, here we go. The floor.
What do you mean by floor?
What do you mean by floor? Wonder what the hell that means. What used to be right here? What do you mean by floor? What? No, it sounds like a person. You just heard it?
That's
Oh shit,
that
look.
noise right there.
It's going crazy.
Brian.
Brian? What's up, Brian? We're ghost hunters. We're here to speak to your spirit. What happened to you here? How'd you die? Or what's your last name? We can look you up. Y'all need help crossing over.
Disappeared.
Man, there's probably so many spirits in this one spot. Because railroad, dog, a lot of people died on the railroad.
Oh yeah, especially this bridge. Like we're on a bridge right now. Like,
Yeah.
you could jump off and kill yourself.
Hell yeah. Yo, look how high that fucking drop is, man.
Where?
Like, holy shit. What?
So where?
Where? What do you mean, where? What's your name? Brian. Is this still you? Yo, it's getting red.
Holy shit.
Brooke. Scent.
Where
Brooke.
Brooks at?
Huh?
Where Brooks at?
What the hell does that mean? Brooks, huh? Did Brooks send Brian to communicate? What happened to you, Brooke? How'd you die? Did you die in a car accident or something? Or was it on the railroad? If it has any connection to the railroad, just put railroad on there. If people know it ain't fake, we can't type no words or nothing. Pixel shit, something really wants to communicate.
Bacteria.
Bacteria. You died from bacteria. Is that what you mean?
I think so.
We all sorry to hear that. How'd you die from bacteria? Did somebody like poison you with it or something? Believe. Sensors. Yeah. I was just talking about how real that thing is, and it's talking about the sensors on there. Yeah, so it is real.
Wow.
So it's just confirming that that app is real.
Yeah, pretty much.
Yo, it's on us, and it's doing 2 words at a time, dog. I haven't seen it do that since I first got what?
Caught.
You got caught. Caught doing what? What happened? What'd you get caught with? You died from bacteria. Cup. Did somebody poison you?
That's what it sounds like.
So somebody poisoned you. Poison. Yeah, that's crazy to confirm that the sensors are real. But how the fuck did you see the sensors? They must be able to see certain shit. How the hell does it know to believe in those sensors, dog? It could just straight up confirmed us. But now it's just talking about how real that app is. What happened? Like, did they put something in your cup and poison you? Somebody hung you. Who hung you? Who did that to you? Can you tell us the name?
Last girl told her she was buried.
Dog, I wonder if somebody hung her and killed her and then buried her.
We don't have any footage on that.
We don't? Did we shoot footage on that? Shit. Any other spirits want to communicate, get a message through? That's crazy how it confirmed the sensors and shit. How the fuck did you see the sensors, guys? Yo. Boots. Is your last name Boots?
Or is there some boots around here that can lead us to where you're buried?
I didn't even think about that. That's
Any type of information you can give us.
yeah, is there something around here that will lead us to what happened to you? That was a good idea, man. Why don't you tell us?
Well, I mean, it's saying cup and then boots. Like,
Yeah.
I'm thinking like
Maybe one
it's
with
trying
poison.
to leave like a breadcrumb trail. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like a trail to where
Maybe it was.
we find this stuff.
That's what I was saying. Maybe one was like poison with the shit, then they hung her. Don't want to communicate from the train.
From the train?
Any old spirits, new spirits?
Why are you talking into the phone like it's gonna talk back?
Yeah.
Just wait for a spirit.
Fucking talk. Hurry the fuck up. They're taking long as shit, man. Is there any spirits that want to communicate? Rob.
Rob.
What up, Rob? What's your last name? Oh shit. I think I made one, man. Oh shit, I did. Come on. Get out.
Damn.
Dang. You hella mad.
Yeah, I think you pissed
You don't
somebody
fear
off.
me. What are you talking about? Get out of what? Get out of what? What if
That's
it's
the
from
only
that
building.
building? Maybe-
It's probably not from the building. It's probably from
Are you from the building?
the bridge.
Did you used to work down the building? One. There's one spirit here.
Where are you from? Come on, use the phone energy.
Compare.
Compare what? What did it say? One and compared. What the hell does that mean?
Yeah,
How water and spirits can get more power and communicate to it?
The battery just went down.
What? Are you using my camera energy? I just charged it, dog. It should have been on 3. What is it down to?
The last one.
What?
Yeah.
What the fuck? How the fuck are you using my camera or video energy?
Yeah, it's like blurring out. It's like blurring in and out.
Are you right next to us? Or how'd you die here? I just said, what is its name? You said Sean.
Shown.
What is that?
Shown.
Shown.
Shown where?
Shown. Shown what?
Shown where?
Shown where?
That could be Sean. Like a different way to spell it.
Is it like a different, I don't know what the fuck that is. I've
like
never seen it like that.
Yeah, no. It could be like a unique way to spell it. Could even be a last name.
Any spirits down there, come up here and communicate with us. You can use the phone. Don't use the camera energy, fuck killing the batteries. What was that? What the hell was that?
What?
It sounded like there's some shot or something went off. You didn't hear that?
Yeah, I just heard that.
You,
That was down that hill.
that's down there somewhere.
That was down that hill.
Yo, what? Who's down there? Somebody down there? Dog, that's weird. You heard that?
Yeah.
Dog, I'm pretty sure the camera picked that up. Look, something's on us now. Come on. Any spirits want to communicate, use this phone. Or show yourself. What was that?
That was somebody
Look over
just
there.
said something.
Oh, that was somebody right over here, son. You got your light? Hold up. What the hell was that, dog? Somebody down there? Dog, it sounded like a shot thing went off, dog. It keeps going off, but it's not saying nothing.
Pen.
Pen. Pen.
Pen.
What kind of pen?
What kind of pen? What?
What kind of fucking pen? Like you from Penn State or something? What are you, a Pittsburgh fan?
What kind of pen?
You from Pittsburgh, fan? What kind of fucking pen you talking about? What was that?
That was weird. It just fucking.
You just heard that?
It was just here.
Dog, I just heard that shit.
It was just
this
here.
shit. Dog, I just heard that shit. What? Shit says arrested. You were just saying what? That if I keep yelling, they're gonna call the cops on me, and then that shit says arrested.
Alignment.
Now it says what? Alignment? What does that mean?
I guess it means it's true.
What? I get arrested over this shit? How the fuck did they know what we're talking about? It felt like something was creeping up behind us, though. You didn't hear that shit? It sounded like footsteps. I'm telling you, something's following us, though.
Is there a spirit want to communicate? Talk to the phone. Any spirit?
Exorcism.
What? What the fuck? This just says exorcism? What do you mean? You need us to do an exorcist? Or what do they call it? Exorcist?
Exorcism.
You need us to do one. You need us to get a pastor over here. Or a preacher. Is that a yes or no?
No camera.
No camera. How the hell is
Are
it
you
now I got the camera?
serious right now?
No, you tell us on camera. If we do an exorcism, we're gonna film it. Are you a bad
That
spirit?
just sound like something bad.
Are you a bad spirit? If we do an exorcist, we're gonna have the cameras rolling. So you need to show yourself. If you're a bad spirit, show yourself. How the hell did you say no camera? What the fuck? I didn't know. It must like, I'm telling you, them spirits know what the fuck we be doing. Know what time of
Now
the
it's
day.
gone.
It's at night. What the fuck?
It's coming back. Sound's coming back.
Why does it sound like it's charging up like a damn jet? You know what I'm saying? Now how's that shit so dead? Are they all going on the train? Crazy. Look, should I get this? How long is this train? Oh shit.
How long have you been standing here watching the train?
Y'all standing here watching the train communicate with us. Maybe they watch the train certain times.
Object.
What? Object.
What's the object of the game?
It's like some Grand Theft Auto if I jump down onto it. Should I jump down onto it?
It's calling the train an object.
I know. This is so dark. Let me put it right here. What the fuck? What's dark right here? Is there a bad spirit right here? What was that? Oh, that's part of the train. Look, that train's cruising, dog. Look out of that shit. Well, shit got its speed up now. What did it say?
Gun.
Gun. Did somebody kill you with the gun right here? Or did you kill somebody? Yeah. Disembodied. That means like then they pulled them apart or something, some shit like that, right?
Yeah, pretty much like dismembered.
No, I can't believe that. Yeah, it's like kind of like dismembered.
Well, let's see what it says. Helpless.
Helpless. Who needs help?
Shot with a gun.
You're shot with a gun and helpless.
Cut up.
Then what? Somebody dismantled you.
Liver.
Your liver. But they stole your liver. Where'd you go? That's official, dog.